Then central midfield zophinda start uAbdoulaye Mariko. Le intswembu kakhulu yaseMali, intswembu Mariko bafethu. Bendithethile ngaye after the first match. Ndathi uMariko season yakhe le. Nguye udlala in the central midfield position number 8 phambi ko6. And then central attacking midfielder number 10 Mathomo Molai. New signing from Leicester City, Motsepe Foundation Championship. Intswembu le mfuna iphinde iyibone again laphini kule match. Not nobana ngabangu number 10 attacking midfielder Orlando Pirates bafethu. Majida, enkosi ngobuyela ki-channel. Igama lami nginguseko uFootball SA lona Majida. I-pre-season iyaqhubekeka bafethu. Orlando Pirates versus Al Ittihad yase-Saudi Arabia. Apha kule video bafethu ndibhizi nge-starting lineup Abdeslam Wadu azosibopha apha kule match. Lena yi-friendly yesithathu of 5 friendlies Orlando Pirates ezodlala eSpain. Le match idlala ngomso Tuesday night ngo-7 PM eMarbella Sports Center eSpain. Yo bafethu ngibona Orlando Pirates kwezi friendlies i2 before lena. Yo, iPirates bafethu ine-talent bafethu. Yo, but kule match bafethu Orlando Pirates izodutswa nyanyane bafethu. Ayingomaqatha i-top team lena bafethu nizova xa nginixalela ngayo later on. Maniqale ndingene straight ngabe nditsala ki-starting lineup. After i-starting lineup ndiza explain about why ndibheke ezi players nezibhekileyo. Goalkeeper bafethu uSiyabonga Dladla. Right back Dino van Rooyen. Central defense Nkosinathi Sibisi noSibangani Zulu. Left back Dion Hotto la out uNkosikhona Ndaba. Central defense uMthetheleli Mthiyane noAbdoulaye Mariko, and then number 10 uMathomo Molai. Wingers nguDaniel Msendami plus noBohlale Ngwato, and then center forward Evidence Makgopa. Manchaze bafethu ke ngokuba kutheni ndibhekela Majida, and zikhona reasons bafethu and nizovumelana nami after ndi-explain zonke ezi reasons. Zathi inyasile lebhara. In fact mangiqale ngele team Orlando Pirates izodlala nayo kanye grand ngobani Orlando Pirates izodlala nabo bafethu. Siphethe obani apha bafethu. Ngobani Orlando Pirates izodlala nabo bafethu. Siphethe iBuccaneers bafethu mandithi isiRobbers izawututswa kule game bafethu. Ayingomaqatha le. Al Ittihad i-quality club le bafethu eke-high level, ine-players ezi-high level, ne-coach eke-high level. Ngacefana ngamaqatha because i-team yase-Saudi Arabia le. Pirates izawututswa apha anyway grand leyo futhi. I-Al Ittihad le lamagama Arabic bafethu ngathi Arabic xa uyithetha ngathi kusengumuntu ozama usokola uphefumla. I-Al Ittihad i-finishe number 5 ki-Saudi Pro League last season, and i-finishe number 5 behind i-team ezihroti bafethu, i-team efana ne-Al Nassr, i-team kaRonaldo, Sadio Mane, João Felix no-Kingsley Coman phakula team. Enye i-team nabe bekompyutha nabo phakula top 5 i-Al Hilal. Al Hilal inobani iphethe u-Ivan Toney, o-Riyad Mahrez, o-Ruben Neves, o-Khalidou Koulibaly. So yabo le team zi-teams zi-teams ne-players le team idlala ne-Pirates ibekompyutha nazo just last season kwinyanga nje ezipheleleyo. Uxolo ngophazamisa, before siqhubekeke ndicela i-support, nishaye u-like okanye u-subscribe. Nenye into sicela ningaskiphi i-ads xa zingena apha ke-screen. As i-content creators iyanceda kakhulu loo nto if aniskiphi i-ads. Inkosi bafethu. And le team yafinisha number 5 futhi behind ezi teams. So i-Pirates izawututswa apha bafethu. And yaphinda bafethu Orlando Pirates izawututswa apha. Sazithola grand ba okay Pirates level yayo iphi plus nebhetho premiership yethu ithini level yayo. And according to i-Global League Rankings, i-gap ayikhonkulu kakhulu yazi. Ibhetho premiership number 45 and then i-Saudi Pro League ngu-31. Noko i-gap ayikho kakhulu. And le team i-1 bafethu Al Ittihad nayo ibine-players ezinkulu nyanyana bafethu ezivayileyo ngokugqiba vaya kule team. Bekho uKarim Benzema apha, khona uNgolo Kante. I-big team pedigree isekhona kangaka apha kule team bafethu. And kwesi squad ngokuba naso sekhona i-players high profile apha bafethu ezi-dangerous. I-winger yaseFrance uMoussa Diaby izoba ngusomdanger phana. Banayo noSteven Bergwijn wase-Netherlands. Khona la out uPereira ingcolileyo yasePortugal inkulu namandla. So Orlando Pirates izawututswa apha bafethu. Even ne-coach yakhona ne-profile e-grand bafethu iJamani Jola 38 elisencane bathi nguJens Wissing. Uyafika apha kule team safuna uziprova ewine i-Champions League, i-Champions League, i-CAF Confederation Cup yase-Asia ne-team yaseJapan. I-coach edume nge-style esi-aggressive, esi-intense, esi-attacking. Before ayoziprova eJapan umjita is a head coach, be-assistant coach i-club ezinkulu, i-Dutch Giants, i-PSV Eindhoven plus ne-Portuguese Giants, i-Benfica. So sabukela imatch apha bafethu sifuna ubona Orlando Pirates izawuresponda kanjani, izawamela kanjani la majita. Ngibone nje i-shots ze-training zale team bafethu. Yo jonga i-training yakhona bafethu yabonakala high intensity bafethu, and la majita ne-physical power ne-speed. Again sawubona grand Orlando Pirates ba izowamela kanjani la majita bafethu. So suppose ba izaba imatch emnandi lena nyani bafethu. So manje buyele ke-starting lineup sami se-Orlando Pirates bafethu ba okay nicinga ntoni nijonge njani bakule 4-2-3-1. Uwadu bafethu sekubonakala ngojamile ba uyoxelela ba okay jonga Orlando Pirates ngathi i-system Orlando Pirates akazoyichinja bafethu, izaba la 4-2-3-1. Kuzaba kho unumber 10 omtsha uzawustarta before uMasangwanye okanye uzocompete noMasangwanye. Bencifana uAbdeslam Wadu uzawureplace Mofokeng ngesystem adlale 4-3-3 ingabe khona number 10, but ke ngoku so far sebonile ba okay yajonga yabadlalisa number 10. So indlela engicinga ngayo apha kule lineup bafethu i-directwa zi-lineups besizibonile ki-first friendly game ne-second friendly game. Orlando Pirates yadrosha 1-1 yawina 2-1 against teams zaseSpain. First game Orlando Pirates yadlalayo bafethu i-starting lineup la majita kanga start kwi-match elandelayo kwi-second game which is le ibidlale Friday. So typical of pre-season bafethu kwenziwa 11 changes and it's all about to build their fitness. Uzawumixa apha la majita beqalile kula first game. Amajita angakadlali ayijone late i-pre-season ebe on i-camp nebafana bafana. So Wadu uzawuqala kancane ngoku ubanika imizuzu ngoba kutheni siyasondela kancane kwi-match yokuqala ye-league nge-2 ka-August ebhethwe Premiership against i-Kruger United. So the more sondela phana the more Wadu ewa-introduce amanye amajita plus ne-fitness yangoyinyusa. I-friendly yogqibela lesihlanu bafethu amajita azodlala I think nge-25 kaJuly which is ngomgqibelo. Sabona la lineup ebo leya lineup ke ngoku izoba la lineup maybe 80 or 90% or 95%. La lineup izoqala nge-2 ka-August ki-first league match against i-Kruger United. Otherwise clean kuzoqala amajita bedlala kula first match improve i-fitness yabo plus namajita asuka ki-World Cup, which is why ndiqale uSiyabonga Dladla epalini ebedlala ki-first game no impressa intswimbo bafethu watch out for uDladla bafethu, i-goalkeeper egrand egqo promoter and i-super quality yakhe umjita isenyaweni, left footer and upasa grand umjita, short medium long passes, umnandi umjita. Safuna ubona ba unjani nge-primary role yakhe which is ubamba ibhola. Right back ndibeke i-golf uDino van Rooyen, usebelebele ndimbone phinde resta kule game. And then i-left back sofaka leya ngubani uNkosikhona Ndaba le kontswembo kakhulu i-left back e-Orlando Pirates. Ibhasope la uNeo Rapport ufikile bafethu, but ke ezophinda ithola i-chance igqibele udlala kula first match le Nkosikhona Ndaba yiyo i-left back. And then central defense uNkosinathi Sibisi captain Orlando Pirates izostart akastart igame apha ke-pre-season enomjita kangadlala for Bafana Bafana ke-World Cup, so funeka athole nje i-run umeka. Icangu wakhe kuzophinda uqale uSibangane Zulu ebeqala ki-first pre-season game. New signing esoke Richards Bay, central defender, tough, physical, umde bamde umjita ayinde leyana fethu. I think yona player inde Orlando Pirates leyana leya eyibona umjita uyabona phezulu kwetyotyombe inde la tsotsi. Saphinde simjonge still ubani Zulu sesimbonile umjita ba ajonga efaka ihlangu efaka ibhathu ki-tackle. Safuna ujonga ukuba technically injani touch yakhe, uhlambile na enyaweni. Sabona ke ngoku umjita safuna umjonga grand. And then central midfield bafethu umthetheleli Mthiyana akastart igame uzostarta ke umjita bengene ezi-sub first 2 games uzostarta ngoku umthetheleli in the number 6 position, the new signing from Stellenbosch FC. Technically ndiyamazi umjita uclean enyaweni uhlambile umjita. And then bena ne-physical power, bena ne-height. Orlando Pirates coach Abdeslam Wadu bethe ufuna le nto mosman, that's why esayine umthetheleli esayine noZulu. Bethe Wadu this is Orlando Pirates funeka improve i-physical power bafethu xa izodlala CAF Champions League. Umthiyana uzostarta kule match yangomso. And then central midfield uzophinda start uAbdullahi Mariko, le ntswembo kakhulu yasemali, ntswembo Mariko bafethu bendithethile ngaye after the first match ndathi uMariko season yakhe le nguyumjita odlala in the central midfield position number 8 phambi ko-6. And then central attacking midfielder unumber 10 Mathome Molai, new signing from Leicester City ke-Motsepe Foundation Championship. Intswembo le mfuna phinde ndiyibone again naphinde kule match, not nobananga bangunumber 10 attacking midfielder Orlando Pirates bafethu. Saphinde simbone ke ngoku Mathome Molai, all the best kumjita. Ayikho easy la position ku-Orlando Pirates bafethu ureplace umuntu ofana noMofokeng. And then emasayidini bafethu bohlale ngwato la ngqeqe intsha isokisiwe leli bendithethile ngayo umjita after the first game lathi yo intswembu lena bafethu umjita funeka start ngoku second game yakhe akastart igame ebengene ezi-sub kwi-games i-2 zigqithileyo, makastart i-first game ngoku simbone ba umjita uperforma njani xa eqale from the start instead of ba makangene ezi-sub. And then kwenye side uDaniel Msendami umjida naye kufanele aziprove kule season. Last season uMsendami khanga lenze ixesha, khanga perform egrand umjida. Ezinye players zinjena bafethu. Mhlawumbe umuntu uqala athatha isikhathi ngoba makasetlishe. Ezinye players setlisha fast ezifana noOzuna Police, noThepang Moremi last season bafika Orlando Pirates. And ezinye players wona thatha isikhathi for usetlisha. UMsendami kufanele ayisuse kule season ngoba bafethu now or never. And in confidence ngoba bescore igol the previous game. Hayi man bafethu asikisi ndiyaphazama man. Umsendami suppose baka start kanti awuno start igame ezithu zilandelana ngepreseason. But ke habi kuyenzeka lewe iCentral defender Orlando Pirates beyenzile lewe uMpho Chabatsane, so maybe naye umsendami nga start again. Yazi ba okay uMpho Phadimi lesiwa eDDC engangena as a sub. Lena touch goal. Athi ngaya amacala lewe bafethu kunga start umsendami kanye ku start uPhadimi. And then center forward bafethu Evidence Makgopa azofumana first run yakhe umjida. Okay behlele relaxile recovery from World Cup up. I think ukuzoqala ustart if not kule game then le game ilandelayo bafethu. Otherwise Evidence Makgopa uyabuya bafethu. Bethe celebration yayo ngwenye bayiscoreile. Makgopa boza yami. Istories kaMakgopa amajita siningisa umdla. La out efika Orlando Pirates ifans zingamfuni umjida zazimchitha zingamtyi tu bafethu. Wasuka kulo imjida wabayi favorite. Ifans ngokwezinize Orlando Pirates ziyamfila umjida. Into leyo ifootball bafethu ibhola injalo bafethu. Otherwise nazo vandag bafethu nasi starting lineup endisibonayo Abdeslam Wadu esibophayo against Al Ittihad more ngo 7 PM bafethu. Sizayituna imatch action after the game bafethu apha kule channel ningaphoswa amajita. At the same time kaqala iseason bafethu ngizayisusa from August yokuthi kuphela iseason bafethu ngizabe nikhona pa Football SA ningalahleki. Sizotuna imatch previews nematch actions ezigrand season yonke bafethu. Moja cela ngalibala support channel go like no subscribe. Awe